Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the biggest mistake that people make with affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the biggest mistake that people make with affiliate marketing. And this is a mistake that so many people make, and I was the first one to make this mistake. And I see so many people do this, and even if they make some sales, if they get a lot of sales, they are still not making enough money. And you know, the biggest mistake is that you are selling low ticket items. And that is that is crazy big mistake. Like, if you see huge YouTubers doing this, that's okay because they have millions and millions of views every single day, you know, if they're doing this on YouTube. But, you know, it's going to be very hard for you to make some money because if you're getting cents or even like $1 or $2 per sale, that is not enough, you know, to really make some money. If you want to make $1 million, you're going to have to make 2 million sales to get, you know, like $1 million. Not only that, but if you do start to spend some money with ads, it's going to be extremely difficult to actually, you know, start to spend less money than what you are making. And that's the whole point of, you know, if you're using paid ads, like, you need to spend less money than you're actually making. That's just how it is. If you spend $1, you want to make $2 back, and that's very hard if you have lower ticket items. However, if you sell higher ticket items, you know, if you sell items that are worth, you know, 100, 200, you know, $1,000, then, you know, it's going to be very easy because you could afford to spend like $200 on, you know, on ads, and then, you know, sell a $500 product, and you made your money back more than twice. So, you know, doing that is extremely important. The other way that you can go with this is, you know, recurring income. So if you sell a product that's, you know, service based, or, you know, that's, you know, software or something like that, that people pay every month, you are probably going to get paid every month as well, which is a good thing to have, because if you get paid every month, then, you know, you could also afford to spend a lot of money, especially because you're going to grow your income as long as you make some sales. And if you don't make some sales, you are still going to stay the same as long as nobody drops off. So, you know, there's a lot of different ways to do this. You know, what the one I use is Builderall, so you could do that. But, you know, it really depends on what industry you're in and what you want to try, because this is how you're actually going to make some money. So I would highly suggest that you don't, you know, do Amazon, like cheap things on Amazon. Yes, if you sell headphones, it could absolutely work because you get some, you know, pretty good payouts. But, you know, if you're trying to sell books on Amazon and you don't have 1 million subscribers or 1 million views per day, then it's going to be very hard for you to make some proper income. And even if you do have 1 million, you know, views per day, then, you know, if you sell higher ticket items, then you are going to be able to make a lot more money. And it's not going to be that, you know, that much harder to actually get the sale, because what you know, stops people is actually getting their wallet out. But if they do, like, you know, get their wallet out, they are ready to pay for something that's good, you know, no matter if it's, you know, cheap or expensive, as long as it stays, you know, reasonable. You don't want to sell something for $1 billion, because there are very little people that can afford something that you're selling for $1 billion. But, you know, if you sell something that's, you know, affordable but still quite expensive, then people will absolutely buy it. rather than something that's, you know, very cheap, but then, you know, you're not making money and they don't get very much value from it, because when it's something that's cheap, that is what usually happens. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.